Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this Mac screen recorder platform, which is ScreenFlow. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about ScreenFlow remains one of the best tools for Mac users who want to record and edit in one place. It delivers crispy record capture, webcam recording, and simple editing tools that makes creating tutorial or demos effortlessly. Its user-friendly design and built-in effects make it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. However, it's only available for Mac OS, which limits the accessibility, and the price may feel steep compared to simpler recording platform. And also, occasional bug and export issue have also been reported lately, and most users complain about it. So in my opinion, if you are a Mac user seeking an all-in-one recording and editing tools, ScreenFlow is still a top pick for you. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.